So over the last year, we've been pulling together something called the State of the Park report for Eryri, and it's been a really interesting process. We've got loads of data which show all of the different special qualities of the national park. What that process has done is highlighted 5 key priorities for us to work on over the next 5 years. And that is going to go along with the revision of our main management plan, Cynllun Eryri. That process is starting now, and in order to do that, we are going to arrange a series of symposiums over the next few months. We're using the word symposium because we want to make sure the event itself is fitting to the topic that we're going to be discussing. So, for example, we are hoping to speak to all the communities and people who live within the national park. So in the autumn, we are at the moment trying to arrange open days where we're asking people to come and see what the work of the National Park Authority is and to tell us what they think our priorities should be in terms of people who live and work here full time. So yeah, it's going to be a really interesting process with lots of different things happening, and look forward to seeing you.
The NRAP is the Nature Recovery Action Plan for Eryri. We've been working on this for the last 2 years with the Eryri Nature Partnership. We formed a task group to get ideas together from experts in the partnership, and we've been developing that to what we have now, and we'd really love to have your opinions, your ideas, your thoughts on the current document and you to input into that document going forward. We'd really love you to come by to Plas Tan y Bwlch on the 25th of June from 10 till 4. Just drop by anytime during that day. So we've got stands representing peatlands, uplands, woodlands, wetlands, lakes, rivers, gardens. And we'd really love you to come by, put your opinion on any of these specific habitats, and also just an overview on the NRAP, your thoughts on that as well. That would be really great to see you there.
Improving biodiversity and the resilience of biodiversity is really important to us here in the authority. It's one of our statutory purposes, and it's also an objective in the management plan. It's something that we have been implementing through the Eryri Nature Partnership, and it's been really successful. Now this is taking that a step forward through the symposium, and we urge everyone who's got an interest in this field to contribute and help us move this forward as we create these plans.